Work with Designer Roofing and Restoration, a local certified roofing contractor serving the greater Savannah and Hilton Head area. Today's topic, are shingle granules in gutters normal? One question that often arises during routine inspections and roof repairs is whether or not shingle granules in gutters are normal. The answer to this question depends on a few factors. Generally, some amount of shingle granule loss during the life cycle of an asphalt shingle roof is considered normal. However, it's unlikely you'll notice it if you keep your gutters clean regularly. On the other hand, if you notice large amounts of granules accumulating in your gutters over a short period of time, it could be an indication that there's something wrong with your roofing system. If you notice asphalt shingle granules in your gutters, it's best to call a professional roofer for a roof inspection. This could mean that your shingles have either exceeded their lifespan, been exposed to too much UV radiation from the sun, which can permanently age them, endured heavy foot traffic, or the most likely reason, storm damage. Hail is the biggest reason for the accumulation of asphalt granules. The hard-hitting hailstones can knock off the protective granules and leave them lying in your gutters and leaving your roof vulnerable. If your roof has suffered hail damage, it's important to have the correct documentation in place with a thorough roof inspection and pictures. A reliable roofing company can do a roof inspection and get you started with an insurance claim. These granules can accumulate over time as the shingles age and start to break down. But when you notice an excessive amount of granules collecting in your gutter system, it's time to call a roofer you can trust. If storm damage is the cause, you'll need a roofing contractor on your side who can represent you and talk directly to the insurance adjuster. A local roofing professional is always your best choice. For more details, contact Designer Roofing and Restoration, the last roofer you'll ever need.